Okay, so it's the end of the month, February. And this is how things have turned out. Fortunately, I am down some small amount paid off. This isn't nearly the $1,000 a month I was really shooting for. This actually went up, this went up, this went up. Paying power bills, I had to do it again a second time in order to keep the power on. Fortunately though, I'll show you, one of the garnishments has quit coming out. At least I think it has, because one of them was lower than the other. And I still have to pay this power bill. So I'll probably have to pay it down here somewhere when I get this check. I didn't mark these off, did I? Okay, on this work day, I don't remember if I mentioned it in the other video, but I only got, 4.5 hours. Although I did get 5.5 extra hours on my day off. And I only got 8 hours instead of 12 on the 24th. So this will be, 32? 32 hours for this check. I'm going to try to put, there's a big old shadow in it. I'm going to try to put over here on the side, there's not room on that side, but I'm going to try to start putting like how much is needed each week. Like if this was left, 283.27 minus the 42 minus the 69 minus the 20, I'll say 25. Minus 48.56. I think the reason that says 36 approximately because I bought groceries that week as well. So then you add in the following week's check. Subtract the house payment. Subtract city card. So that only leaves me $98 left. Battery died. Okay, so that, I need to work out a system to how to do this. I might try using the other calendar for that, but add this balance to the next one, or maybe I should put that down here. I have to work that out and see how to do that. Then you know you've got $90 for gas and groceries and that kind of thing. Wouldn't that make it work better? Let me know in the comments if you think that would work better. I'll be glad when some of this stuff is paid off. Really glad. Anyway, that's it for February. February's gone. We're now in March.